this side up. I think this side looks better.
You're never going to see it.
Yes, you are. It's wide open. The shelf's right here. You can see the whole damn thing.
Huh.
You can see this one too. All right. Maybe I got a piece of hardboard to put under there. I got some upstairs.
Or a paint stick.
Yeah, paint stick's downstairs. That's being used on something more important.
I can get another one at Home Depot for free.
They're charged now.
Not the girls I know.
You got the good ones then, huh? Alright, so we're going to figure out when we're going to cut these out. I got two different shelf patterns here. Get that on my ass, didn't work. They did move and it went up my ass. Get out of the way. Okay. So. What's the cut height going to be? Don't forget the block.
For over here.
Don't forget the block.
Right?
Yeah. Cut the height. It's like 56 inches would be pretty damn close. 56 1/8. Until you stand on top of that. 56 1/4. So you need to get that block for down there first, I guess. Looks like about 56 inches.
For this side.
For
right.
4 of them.
Yeah.
I gotta cut 4 of them down. This is what I found.
4 of them?
4. Now we gotta do is make sure they're the same on both ends. So take this one, spin it around. You take this one. If they're equal, the holes will line up. Pretty close. See how close the holes are?
Yeah.
Right on the money.
Yeah.
Sometimes I can cut it either way because you have to have one going this way and one going this way.
Right.
2 of each. So these are same height, universally made. So it makes it a lot easier. I just cut the same 56 1/8, 56 1/4. I can go figure that out, shorten them, and then put them up there. All right, we'll be back.
Okay, here we go.
It's a non-issue.
All right.
What was that number we wanted? 56 or 58?
56 1/4.
This one's already marked. It's 56. I don't know how we're going to hold this thing. So 56 1/4 is going to be right at the line, basically. Yeah, right about in that area, give or take a little bit. It's basically right at those holes. We cut one at a time or 2 at a time?
1.
Takes twice as long.
Can it do 2?
Do whatever I do.
You want a clamp or anything?
Didn't hear anything, did you?
I didn't hear nothing.
That does not look like 56. I was getting worried there. I thought it was 48. Well, I guess 48 and 56 are almost the same.
Yeah, we can make it work.
I think I'm going to check this to make sure.
Oh boy. That's the one I screwed up. Yep.
If you gave me a sharper file, it would do better. We'll make sure. Are you going to cut you when you touch them?
Huh?
Are they sharp when you touch them?
I ain't touching.
You're not going to test it for me and see if I deburr it adequately?
No, you didn't.
That's good to me. Let's cut my finger. My finger not bleeding. What's wrong with your finger?
Any of these?
Those are pretty coarse.
Those are what?
Those are pretty coarse. Feel a difference? Feel it. Put your finger over it.
Yeah.
I'll feel those.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, there's one.
You know, you feel it, you're looking. Your finger crossed, you don't cut, it's good. Good. Did a better job. The only cut's going up, not down. You happy with that one? That one's kind of sharp. You can get the burr right there, see? You got a square file and a radius edge, you got to come by on the edge and cut it on the edge. You kind of slide across the whole area.
Mm-hmm.
And also, if you're a heavy angle like that, it doesn't do much. At 45, it'll cut more of the area. But then you go 3 points. You go 45, 30, 30. And that gives you more of a round radius edge. So you see I changed my angles.
Yeah.
So you get down on the inside, it's hard to do. And finger cross out, cutting yourself, you're good. You're good. You can feel it real quick whether it's good or bad. Especially if you're not bleeding when you're done. That's a big plus. Alright, back. Alright, another hard night at it. 2:30. So it's hard to see in here, but there's some shelving in there now. A little bit of it. Got the computer stuck down under there again. So that's what it's going to look like in here. More shelving, so more room for hoodies. 4 variations of hoodies, so got to make room for them. And that's not counting sleeve print and logo print. That makes 8 variations. Same on the shirts. I got boxes and boxes of shirts over there all done. No room for them. So I'm making room. The hats take up too much space. The full shelf by themselves. But anyway, so that's what it's going to look like. I have my computer all under here. Printer stuff under there. Not sure where the phone system is going to go. It's probably a good spot for it. Maybe it's right over here. I don't know. Or just sit down underneath here. So all this stuff right here is phone system. So for now, and all the internet stuff that's got to be, all this box has to be put somewhere to make all my stuff work. So anyway, that's what we're looking at that. I'm going to put some kind of shelf right here for my keyboard because I don't want to have my keyboard jammed under here. If you do it like that, then it's hard to see the screen. If you do it like I did before, we have the computer out here, you can see the screen, and just put the keyboard out here with a little bracket coming out to hold it. So I'll make up something for that. Stick a room for my garbage can there. Still got the light switch. Looks like my thermometer can go right back there. A little small one doesn't work very well. And the door still closes. Look at that. Amazing. It's like downtown. Alright, that's a full day's worth of work there. So that's 2 days of the work for this. One more day I'll have it done. So I gotta make some X bracing for side to side so it doesn't fall over this way. So we got our wood down there. Got my radius cut right here so it doesn't get in the way of anything. And I got this cut out for this. I had to go back and put another big notch in there for that. So that's all in there where it belongs. Everything's nice and level and sitting like it's supposed to. It's nice and tight up against the wall, so it's nice straight up and down this way. I think it's slightly leaning toward this direction, but if you look at the doorway, it's a little bit wider up there than down there. And there's a little bit of a gap right here that shouldn't have been there, but it's in there. So anyway, that's what it is. I put a cross brace down there so the leg won't get bent. I'm kicking it. So anyway, making it nice and secure. So there you go. Getting more room for apparel. All right, that's it for now.